It is recommended to run an end of day, which will zero out the totals and print the report so that you can start the next day anew. There are two ways to run the end of day. First, by selecting File from the login screen, and then selecting End of Day. Or, by selecting Manager from the login screen and entering your credentials, then selecting Tools, and finally End of Day. Here you will need to enter your credentials. You will then be asked about the deposit, which is the total amount of cash that was taken in for the day. After confirming that the amount is correct, select OK, and then Yes. And your end of day report will print to your report printer, usually a full-size printer. After your credit card processor has been set up, and you have been processing credit cards in Cash Register Express, there is an option to automatically settle those transactions before running the end of day. To set this up, select Setup from the Manager screen, then Setup screen. Select the Payment Processing tab, and finally the Other Options tab. When Perform Batch Settlement on End of Day is checked, the software will batch the credit cards prior to the totals being zeroed out. When it is unchecked, you will need to manually settle your credit cards by selecting Administrator from the Manager screen, then Credit Card Settlement, and finally Settle. For more information regarding credit card processing, please contact the PC America Sales Department at 1-800-722-6374.